The fabric from my sunroof shade started to separate and was causing issues with my sunroof system. Here's how I resolved it. I took an interior trim opener tool to this black bar attachment that goes across the front of the sunroof. It has clips facing the front and rear of the car. You can see the technique I took to wiggle and unclip this piece. Next, I removed the black accordion light covers on the left and right side of the sunroof. One side is attached to the sunroof glass and the other to the silver track. These just pull out, but I had to be gentle as they can break or rip. At this point, I slid open my sunroof glass. I can now unclip the sunroof shade by pressing it inwards towards the middle of the car. I did this on both sides, sliding it out of the track. I slid forward and up, getting the sunroof shade completely out from the top of the car. Cleaning the track was also important. I bought a replacement shade from a local salvage yard, lining it perfectly with the silver tracks. I also used 3M spray adhesive on the corners of the new shade so it won't easily separate. To repair this instead, you could reupholster the fabric or get some spray adhesive, matching fabric paint, and fix it yourself.